Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to log into Walmart account. Now first of all, what you have to do is open a web browser of your choice, and now what you have to do is simply search for walmart.com. Go to walmart.com and you will see an interface like this. Now all you have to do is tap on the three line icon at the top left corner of the page, right, and you will see something like this. Now what you have to do is tap on the sign in or create account. Simply tap on the sign in or create account and you will see something like this. Now all you have to do is tap on this email address blank and type your email address. After typing your email address, what you have to do is simply tap on the continue option. Tap on continue and you will see an password option. Simply what you have to do is type your password on the blank and you will see an sign in option, and you will have to continue that to log in your Walmart account. So there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Comment down your thoughts, and until then, goodbye.